Good day, sir. My name is Yong Kong Woon, and I'll be demonstrating to you how to use MPLAB software using a loop example. So first of all, we need to create a folder in the D drive. So I name it as MPLAB demo. So inside the folder, there's another folder. This folder is empty. So we can turn on the software, and now we can configure the MPLAB by selecting the device, making sure it's PIC 18458, clicking OK. Go back to configure again, configure bits, uncheck this box, click OK. Need to choose HS oscillator because there are three things. First is the HS oscillator, secondly is the watchdog timer, third is the low voltage ICSP. Need to disable this. So these three things, and OK. Click this new file so we can write our assembly language coding here. So for my example, I'll be writing a program loop to copy the content of hex 100 until hex 107 to hex 207 until hex 200. So I'll be doing that, and I've written the program. So this is the program, and you need to save it. Name it as loop1.asm, as this is an assembly language coding. Click save. So the color has changed. So next thing, we need to create a project file. Go to project wizard, click next. The device is PIC 18458, click next. And the active tool suite must be Microchip MP ASM tool suite. And these are the three things under it. So click next. So we need to create a new project file. So the project file will be inside the loop folder. We can name it as loop1. Click save and click next. We need to add our .asm file to our project. So click next, click finish, and double click on this. So this is our ASM file. So what do we do next is to build the project. But before that, we need to go to MPLAB sim for the debugging mode. So now we are in the simulation mode. Then go to project, build all, click relocatable. Build succeeded. As the build is succeeded, there are no error. So we press F6 to reset the microcontroller. So as you can see, the PC is pointing here. So as we want to check whether the program is working, to view, we go to here, file registers, to view the data memory. So now we can view the data memory here. We press F7 to execute line by line. So we press F7, it goes to start. And now before that, we need to enter certain value into this location 100, this location. These are random numbers until 107, and this will be copied, these contents will be copied to hex 207 until hex 200 in this direction. So you can see by pressing F7. So we can focus on this location now. We'll see that this will turn to 23, and this will turn to 34, this will turn to 34, 67, this will be 07, this will be 04, this will be 03, and this will be 04. So this is our program loop. Thank you.